Constellation Brands down about 4% this year. Options traders, though, betting the stock's ready to pop. Jon and Pete Najarian at Telestrator with today's dose of unusual activity. Doc, you're up first.
Exactly right, Judge. Constellation Brands, they came in twice today. Really big numbers the first time. The first time they came in and bought 13,000 calls in Constellation Brands. You see it now. She's up $6.32, as you said at the top, down about 4% year to date. We're closing in on making that basically even on the year. They bet upside calls big time, and they sold downside puts to pay for it. I love that kind of pattern. It's a very bold play. And as you see, now they're approaching 30,000 contracts at this strike, January 220, which is more or less right where the stock is here. I believe they were selling the 190 puts, but I'm in this one, probably be in it, Judge, for somewhere around 4 months because I really like the stock. And here's a clear underperformer this year, Constellation Brands.
All right, Pete, you got a couple for me.
Yeah, I got a couple for you. First, I'm going to start off with Philip Morris. Now, this is a name I know a lot of the desk a lot of the times likes to go away from this, and you can see this performance. It's understandable why people have, obviously, cigarettes, obviously the e-cigs and all the rest of that stuff, and it's been watching as the numbers have gone lower and lower and lower, but this is still a company that actually has a great earnings per share when you look at it, and I think it's trading kind of cheap. We saw the October 85 calls being bought today. They were paying about $1.65 or something like that, and you can see here, pretty nice number. I think it was like 4,200 of these were trading. I've been trying to get into these. I have not gotten into them yet, but I'm still working on it. Probably by the end of the day, I'll have some. But right now, I got no disclosure right now for Philip Morris. I got one more for you as well.
Okay.
A name that I've hated for a long time, Snap. But every once in a while, we've had some good luck with people as this stock has sold off. You remember, on IPO day, I held it for 3 hours, sold it. But you can see what's been happening lately. This thing has had some huge falls. But when we've had some buyers jump in like they did today, they bought over 8,000 of the September 14 calls. Very inexpensive. They're trading about 20 cents, maybe 25 cents for these calls. Does this stock actually get back up and through 14? It doesn't have to get through 14, but it starts to move a little bit higher, Scott. These calls will start to move as well. You got to be very disciplined with something like this.